This is capsicum, and the capsicum color is red. This is cabbage, and the cabbage color is green. This is eggplant, and the eggplant color is purple. This is egg. This is egg. This is red, and this is watermelon, and the watermelon color is green and black. The inside color is white. This is guava, and the guava color is green. The inside color is yellow, and this is mushroom, and the outside color is orange. The inside color is green, and outside color also green. This is lettuce. The inside color is yellow, and the outside color is red, and this is apple. The inside color is purple, and the outside color also purple. This is grapes. The inside color is green, and the outside color is green and yellow. This is kiwi. The inside color is white, and the outside color is orange and yellow. This is onion. The inside color is yellow, and the outside color also yellow. This is pineapple. The inside color is orange, and the outside color is orange, and this is also orange. The inside color is yellow. And the outside color is yellow and green. This is pears. Again, this is cabbage and the color is yellow. This is capsicum and the color is red. This is mushroom and the color is orange. This is orange and the color also orange. This is guava and the color is green. This is kiwi and the color is green and yellow. This is pear and the color is yellow and green. This is onion and the color is orange and yellow. This is grapes and the color is purple. This is egg and the color is yellow. This is eggplant and the color is purple. This is apple and the color is red. This is watermelon and the color is green and black. This is lettuce and the color is green. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.